welcome to MS Dental Clinic. How can I assist you today?
Please book an appointment for Muhammad Ali.
Thank you. What date would Muhammad Ali like to book the appointment for?
March 28, 2026
Great. What time would you prefer for the appointment on 28 March 2026?
at 2:30 p.m.
Thank you. What type of visit will this be? Filling, simple checkup, teeth cleaning, extraction, or other?
Simple checkup.
Here are the appointment details. Appointment details name. Muhammad Ali, date 28 March 2026, time 2:30 p.m. Purpose of visit, simple checkup. Can you please confirm if all the details are correct?
Yes, it is correct.
Your appointment is booked. Appointment details name. Muhammad Ali, date 28 March 2026, time 2:30 p.m. Purpose of visit, simple checkup. If you need further assistance, just let me know.
Can you check if there is any appointment related to Muhammad Bilal?
I couldn't find any appointment for Muhammad Bill. If you'd like to book one, just let me know.
Can you give me the details of appointment of Muhammad Ali?
Appointment details name. Muhammad Ali, date 28 March 2026, time 2:30 p.m. Purpose of visit, simple checkup.
Please cancel the appointment for Muhammad Ali.
Are you sure you want to cancel the appointment for Muhammad Ali?
Yes, please cancel the appointment.
The appointment for Muhammad Ali has been cancelled. If you need to book another one or need further help, just let me know.
Thanks.